Merry Christmas, everyone. All too soon, we've come to the end of our Python VLOGMAS series, our 25-day Python VLOGMAS series. And on behalf of the entire team, I'd like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you who stuck with us all throughout from day one to the final day. And we know it's been a great journey. It's been a journey of learning, a journey of experience, a journey of new things in Python. And so we cannot thank you enough. And so in this endless loop, we'd like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you and a Merry Christmas. And we wish that the coming year 2021, will be filled with blessing, will be filled with great and mighty things. We'll be able to, push ourselves to excel. Watch out for more interesting packages in Python, more interesting tutorial bits, and then also um, new series coming up in all Python programming. We're going to take it all the way from the fundamentals to, top pro level. So don't forget to always, pass through this channel, this medium, and then get to be informed with new updates in Python. And that's it. We thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful Christmas and a joyous New Year. Bye-bye.